Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel. And as you can see, this is a kitchen that I have in one of my doll houses. But what I want to do here is I want to switch out the stove, the sink, and the refrigerator. There's nothing wrong with them, but I had gotten these at a yard sale and I had to make some burners for the stove because they were just stickers on the place of the burners. So I took some magnets and that's how I made new burners, and I think it looks cute. And then for the oven I used one of those barcodes from an envelope. That's all I used. But oh, and also the sink, one of those drawers is kind of like a little broken. So I just want to change it up because I do have another set to replace it with. So this set I bought from a yard sale from my neighbor last year when I bought her one of the dollhouse that she was selling. And this one, I mean, these pieces are practically brand new. So I want to change them up for the ones in here. Look at this refrigerator. Look how beautiful that is. It even looks like a closet to me, right? You can use it as a closet also. But I'm going to keep it as a refrigerator because it's part of this beautiful set. So let me show you inside the refrigerator. Let me take you up here. This is where I have one of my rooms, but I just need to place this somewhere. I'm going to open the refrigerator so that you can see inside. Isn't that beautiful? The detail in something like this. Shelving and side shelving, space for everything in there. It even looks like a modern refrigerator, something you would like to have in your own home. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. But I can also use it as a closet, maybe in one of my settings. We'll see. But anyway, so this is the refrigerator, and this is white with silver, which is more modern, to tell you the truth. And it's more modern than this one over here. This is what it looks like inside. It's wood. So I want to switch, I want to switch that for this refrigerator. And I also want to switch the stove and the sink for these two pieces which match the refrigerator. Look at this beautiful piece. I mean, it's practically brand new. I don't know if it was ever used. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'll actually be improving this kitchen. And I'm also going to put maybe different decor like on the walls. Maybe a backsplash back there. A nicer one. Against the white. But look at how beautiful this looks. So I got it with a dollhouse that I bought from her for $20, which is that house over there, and I'm working on it. So it's all messy. So this is gonna be the sink, and then here I have the stove. The only thing, this stove is actually missing the door, the oven door, but I can fix that. I can get something. But this is what goes with this set. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. And the drawer does open. So these are the pieces that I want to swap for those and just, make some changes in this beautiful kitchen. And I'll be back. Thanks for watching.